And I'm Cyrus. And
I'm Kanaoki.
I'm Masahiro Matsuka.
I'm Eito Jung.
okay, first of all, our idea is modernly, but we have following some Japanese traditional tea room. And in the traditional way, we also using the tatami wood and following the traditional tea room shape. In the modern way, we have using more glasses in the window and the roof. Moreover, we make the underground tea room, and this is not a similar Japanese tea room. Yes.
First floor is tea room. You can enjoy 4 kinds of views from this tea room, and you can watch the views of the 4 seasons from the Engawa, where you go around the tea room. A general tea room is composed of 4.5 jo, but this tea room is composed of 8 jo. We separate this 8 jo by line-up bamboo. Usually, there are 2 triangular spaces that's the size of 4 jo. If you want to use it widely, you can use it as 8 jo. At that time, you lift the bamboo partition vertically. Then bamboo stick out from the roof. The facade of the tea room changes, so students who are outside can notice that the tea room is widely used. It will be used to open events in the tea room. This is east-west cross-section. The roof is made of glass, and this is like modernly. So you can enjoy the sky view. You can see the scenery can be enjoyed from basement. You can enjoy cherry blossoms in the springs and a wonderful sky at night.
So, the main idea is the views, different views. So we try to make 4 different gardens to show a different view depending on the season. In the winter, we choose the bamboo tree because since they don't have much leaves, they won't fall, and then the view will be beautiful too. Even the winter, that the trees are not so beautiful. In the summer, the tree we chose was the. We don't have a certain tree, but we have to. We intend to put the more green teas with bushes and with a pond to help to lower the temperature of the summer. In the spring, we have choose the sakura tree that when the flower blossom and is the best view of the first floor. In the autumn garden, we choose the maple tree because of the red leaves, and you can enjoy from the underground, from the glass you see in the next slide. Our tea room, we choose the Hashijo tatami. It's like a traditional style we choose to put in our modern style tea room.
Finally, our express basement. In order to go to a security room on the first floor, first you have to go down these spacious stairs and go to a basement, and then you can finally arrive at the tea room after going up these stairs once again. This is a section. A pond is seen from an underground window. Since the pond faces south, the sun shines on the water surface, and the shadow of the water surface enters the basement, like this. And these stairs are spacious, so a lot of students can gather here and relax. And you can enjoy autumn leaves from the window at the top, facing the east.
We try to make a modern version of the shoji door. That's a very traditional door. So we try to mix the brise soleil idea with the shoji door, and we achieve that version, that with vertical wood and the paper of the shoji door. Thank you.
Okay, first, Joe is a mat. Okay, so you can say 8 tatami mats. Okay, it's better to, it's more understandable in English. Okay. And I don't have questions. I'll give you a comment. I really like how you explore it three-dimensionally. So it has 2 floors. So how you go up and down, and the idea to go under the lake, I think it's really interesting. So I'll name the tea room 4th season. It's okay? Okay, so this is the 4th season tea room. And I really like the way you explore the dimension. So at first it looks very traditional, but then we see that it's completely not. Okay.
I mean, I personally really like the idea of the 4-season idea. Every day of the year, you can still enjoy the garden. But this is a modern version of the tea house. I think it's very, very good idea. But one thing I'm not content with is the roof. I mean, you mentioned that you can look over the sky, but in summer it still can be baking hot. I'm not sure if you agree. It still can be baking hot, but if you do something about it, if you've got opening towards the north, then you still get plenty of daylight, but blocking all the sunlight flooding into the inner side of the tea room. But overall, I quite like the idea of the 4-season tea house.
Yeah, I think it's famous situation with your grass roof. And what I think very cool idea. So it is very good. You think about the section, space, section and segregation. So that is very good idea. And so you have you design glass roof. Also, maybe I think maybe almost use the underground basement and first floor is only winter season or so yeah, please control.
ちょっと日本語で説明します。だから、先生らのコメントは、3次元的に空間を発展していて、でそれがすごく良かったなんですけど、ガラスの部屋には地獄ですね。夏はすごく暑いのと、 で多分冬はめちゃめちゃ寒いんでそこはもうちょっと工夫が必要だったっていう話。そうやね、本当私徳田先生の方がいいや。Good job. So next one.